Hi all, praise be to God. How are you all? So today, let us learn one Berchmans for the Berchmans song, Jeba, aavi, ootrumaiah. So this song is in E minor scale. E minor scale, you already know this: E, F sharp, G, A, B, C, D, E. All right. So the song goes like, I'll just show you. It goes with the tabla. That's how the song goes like. I'll show you the melody, right hand melody, how it goes like. See here, there, these two notes has to come, A and G. Then the stanza part. Alright, so the chord goes like. First starts with the E minor, B minor, D major, E minor, B minor, E minor, G major, A minor, G major again, G major, A minor, G major, B minor, E minor, B minor, E minor. Alright, the beat, it's a tabla beat, 4/4 tabla beat. The tempo is around 90-91. Alright, the chord. If you don't have any tabla beat, then cool 4/4 beat, cool 8 beat, like that beat, no, we can put. Or if you have Latin family, so you can put beguine, Beguine, beguine beat, or rumba beat, Rhumba, rumba beat. Alright, you can put that, and speed according to that you can just keep like this. Alright, so I request you all to support with your like, share and subscribe, and those who want, those who are in need, please share this video. So as usual, I bless you all in the name of Jesus Christ. Pray and do it. Definitely God will raise you. Alright, see you on the next video. Bye bye, take care.